Reception, and today I'm doing Tuesday's maths lesson, which is about learning how to count on. So one of the skills that we need for addition is to be able to count on, and we're going to do this fun activity today with socks. So I've got 10 pairs of socks here. They've been paired up. So if you don't know how to do this, is quite a good thing to do when your mum and dad do the laundry. You need to put your socks together at the top and you're going to push them inside and they sort of create a ball. So I've got my socks, and then I've got this tub. You might want to use an empty bin or maybe a saucepan or something like that. So that's going to go there. And I'm going to set myself some problems. So the one that I'd like to start with is I'm going to put 5 socks into my box, and then I'm going to put in 2 more. And so I'm going to then count on 2 to find out how many socks will be in my box altogether. So here's the fun bit. I get to throw my socks into the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to stop at 5. 5 was my first number. So 5. I've got 5 socks in my box. I need to remember 5. I'm not going to start counting from 1 again. I'm going to count on from 5 because that's the skill we're learning. We're counting on. So I've got 5 in my head and I want to do 2 more. So 5, and then I've got 1, 2 more in my hands. I'm going to do count on 2. 5, 6, 7. So I had 5 and I counted on 2 more, and that made 7. So once you've done this, you can then draw this out. So I've stuck a number line to some paper, and I'm going to draw out the problem that I just had. So the first thing I had was I had 5 socks, then I counted 2 more, and then altogether I then had 7 socks. So I'm going to draw that out now. Do circles. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 socks, 5 circles, and then I counted on 2 more socks, and I worked out that in total in my box now there are 7 socks. How could I check that? How can I check that this is correct? What could I do with these socks? Have a little think. Okay, so one way I could check is I could count them out and see if I do have 7. Let's do that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it did come to 7. I did have 7, so if I have 5 and I add 2 more, it's going to make 7. Another way we can count on is using our number line. We can find our number 5 and then we count on 2 more, 6, 7. So you can repeat this with other problems. Let's have our bucket back. I've got my 10 socks again. This time I'm going to start with 4 socks. I'm going to start with 4 socks and I'm going to add 3 socks. So I'm going to have 4 socks, add 3 socks. So first of all, I'm going to count my 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 and I've stopped at 4. Now I want 3 more. So I'm going to move the 3 more in front of me so I don't put any more than 3 more in. But I'm not starting to count from 1. I need to count from 4. I'm counting on counting on from the number I already have. I have 4, so I'm going to count on from 4. 4 in my head, 5, 6, 7. So that time we had 4, and then I counted 3 more. So 4 and 3 is 7, and I can check by counting out again. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that 4 and 3 make 7. And again, you might want to get some paper and draw that out. You could think of a number story around 4 and 3 make 7. For example, I had 4 sweets, then my friend gave me 3 more sweets, so I had 7 sweets in total. You could draw pictures of that. See if you can find any other ways that you could make 7. Have a go with your socks and your bucket. Look forward to seeing your work on tapestry. Take care. Bye.